And now we will be sent here. And now, of course, we will be starting from blank. There are some templates here that you can use, but I'm gonna start from scratch. Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a logo using Canva. Now, there are multiple ways that you can create a logo on Canva, and this is only one of the ways that I know, and basically it is my way of doing it. So, first of all, before we get into the topic, I want you to check out the description down below so that you can find there a link that will allow you to use Canva Pro for free. Yes, for free. For 30 days, you will have the free trial without any expense. And only after that will you be able to really think that if you want to commit or not. But it's up to you. Besides, it's free. It won't really cost much for you. Alright? So without further ado, let's get into the video. So we will be here on the landing page of Canva. And we have a lot to choose from. But for me, I want to try ahead and click on the logo template that they have set here, or the template resolution. So I'm just going to click on that, and now we will be sent here. And now, of course, we will be starting from blank. There are some templates here that you can use, but I'm going to start from scratch. All right. So what I need to do is you just need to put elements that you would like to have in your logo. For example, maybe I would like to start with a circle shape, for instance. And then let's think that I want to make a logo for a team, for example. Let's say it's a football team in high school or maybe in college. Okay, so let's just choose color through here. It's up to you, whatever you want. So I'm just going to show you the tools that you can use here. So up here you have the color. Then here you have the border. So it will add that to your shape. So I'm going to add a small border just like that. And then maybe you change the color a bit. Maybe green isn't too nice after all. Maybe slightly darker, perhaps. Or maybe turn it gradient. It's up to you. So I'm going to use the gradient one here. And then the border, maybe let's try and modify it a bit. Not too heavy. And then let's make it a bit. Okay. So maybe like that. And then when you go here to elements, here we can start adding some stuff into your logo. For example, if this is a tiger team, let's just go ahead and search for graphics here in the tiger part. Maybe this one, we can put it there, and then you just put it in the middle. To make sure that it's really in the middle, you can go here to position, and over here to align the page, you just click middle and center. So right now it's already set to middle and center. So now let's just add some text by going through here. So we just click on add a text box over here, and then we just type in what we want to put into our logo. Let's say tigers. Let's just say it's called like that. Tigers. And then let's enlarge this. Maybe change the font to something that will fit it better. Maybe not that one. Maybe something that looks very wild. For example, this one, for example. This looks wonderful. Alright, so let's put that there. Let's change the color maybe. How about white? White. How about yellow? Okay, maybe white. And then let's go to effects here we can add something behind it to emphasize it. Maybe like this one. That looks wonderful. So another thing that you can do is you can go to effects again, and then the shape over here, you click on curve, and as you can see, it will curve this text so that it will fit into the circle shape. So we can also adjust this by just using the slider over here. So I'm just gonna move it down there. So it's now tigers. It's a bit too curved. Let's change it a bit. Oh, what happened there? Maybe let's put that there. Okay, and then maybe let's add another text below it. Since it's a football club, it's FC, right? Put that there, and maybe curve it as well, but on the other side. That. And yeah, that looks wonderful. And maybe we can just add some extra details into the design, like for example, like behind the photo. Let's say I want to use a shield for instance, because you know a lot of football club logos have shields in their design. So maybe for example this one. No, it's not that good. See? So it's just move that around and fit it into the circle. Make sure it doesn't come out. Okay, then maybe lessen the transparency so that the tiger is given emphasis. And we can also change the color, something that will match with the color of the tiger. So I'm just gonna try out some different colors over here. Now that looks wonderful. And that's it. And after that, you can also go here over to share. And if you really want to use this logo, you go download and click on transparent background so that you can use this logo anywhere without having to having the white background behind it. So only the logo is left and you can use it anywhere you want. So which is why I would like you to try Canva Pro free trial on the description. So just click the link in the description and you should be able to use it for 30 days, all for free. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.